Good morning, students. Myself, Madhuri Fegde from Satish Pradhan Jnana Sadhana College. So today we will discuss some terms from 12th Commerce, paper 2, and that is from first chapter. The subtopic is discounting a bill. Hmm. In that discounting a bill, we will mainly discuss the terms present worth, sum due, and true discount. Okay, and we will discuss this using one example. So let us begin with this our session. For that we will uh, take one example to know the terms better. So example is, suppose goods worth 900 we take from a person. If we do that payment on the spot, then we have to pay only 900 rupees. But if we take a credit of 8 months, or that person allows us a credit of 8 months, then after 8 months I have to return that 900 rupees. But since he is a businessman, so he will quote a price by adding some interest for this 8 months to this 900 rupees. And suppose if the rate of interest is 4% per annum, then the interest for this 8 months is obviously 36 rupees. Means how much I have to pay to that person after 8 months? That original price 900 rupees plus this 36 rupees. Means after 8 months we have to pay 900 plus 36 means 936 rupees to that person. Okay, and that will be given after 8 months. So valuation of that good is 936 after 8 months at the rate of 4% per annum, which is equivalent to 900 rupees today. Means आज का वो प्राइस है 900 rupees. But if he allows us a credit of 8 months, then after 8 months I have to give the extra charge of 36 rupees and the sum will be 936 rupees. Means आज का प्राइस 900, 8 months के बाद 936. Okay, so if we do one agreement for this business, then that agreement is called bill, discounting a bill. Okay, that means that seller draws a bill of 936 rupees for the period of 8 months. So in this example, the current value of that good 900 rupees, that is known as present worth, and in formula it is denoted by PW. Okay, after 8 months we have to pay 936 rupees. So that value is known as sum due, or the face value which is printed on that bill. Since it is printed on that bill, so it is also known as face value or the due value, sum due. And the 36 rupees charged by that person as an interest, that is known as true discount, denoted by TD. So mainly we will deal with this three terms. So TD is nothing but, true discount is nothing but the simple interest charge on this principal value, present worth value. Okay, so formula of true discount will be what? The simple interest charge on present worth, means TD is equal to PW into N into R upon 100. Okay, then how to calculate sum due? In the current price, present worth, if we add the interest on that present worth, that addition is called, will be sum due. So formula of sum due is what? Sum due SD is equal to present worth plus the interest. That means SD is equal to present worth plus true discount. And this formula, next formula we already seen. The simple interest on PW is nothing but TD. Now in this formula, N means what? Period of that bill, and that should be always taken in years. If the period is given in months, then you have to convert it in years. How to convert this in years? We know that 1 year means 12 months. Okay, so you have to divide that months by 12 and convert it in the years. And R is rate of interest per annum. Okay, so let us see some terms related to this bill. When a person draws a bill, bill means what? A agreement made by a person for that business. So a person who draws this bill is called drawer, and a person on whom this bill is drawn is called drawee. Then, on which date they made this bill, that date is called date of bill. Means a date on which the bill is drawn. Then next one we already saw. Face value FC of the bill means the amount for which this bill is drawn, which is also known as sum due. Then the period of a bill means what? For that drawer gives us how much time. The drawer gives how much time to that drawing. That time period, that time slot is called period of